How to Travel the World and Live with No Regrets by Dr. Ernesto Martinez. Coming up. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ernesto Martinez from AttaboyCowboy, and this channel we give you health and wealth tips to help you be more successful. Now today I'm filming in Mammoth, California, and I wanted to share with you a little bit about my book here. It's one of my favorites. It's actually my first book, and it's been in the works for about 25 years. I started traveling when I was about 16, and every time I traveled, I loved to write diaries and take notes and just document whatever I saw and learned, because I just wanted to share it with people. But then I had this experience, which is actually the basis of this book, where my older brother got really sick with AIDS. And he was sick for many years. And unfortunately, he passed away, but the last few months of his life, I helped take care of him. And one of the things I remember him telling me, he was 32 and I was 28 at the time. He said, "Hey, I don't want to die. I don't want to die." He started crying, and I said, "Yeah, you're not going to die. We're going to do our best to keep you going." And he said, I really want to travel, and I don't know why I didn't listen to you. I should have traveled more." And what happened was I used to buy tickets for both of us, and I would go to the location and he wouldn't show up. And then he'd write to me and he'd say, "Hey, I'll be there tomorrow. I'll be there in 2 days. I promise I'll be there this weekend." Then he'd say, "You know what, I'll go next time." And then, he ended up missing most of the trips. We did fortunately take some trips together, but my brother loved to travel the way I did. His name was Bobby. And Bobby really wanted to travel some more. But like most of us, he thought he had his whole life ahead of him. He had time to do whatever he wanted later on, right? I'll do it later. Someday I'll learn to play the piano. Someday I'll learn to paint. Someday I'll travel to, California or wherever you want to go in your life. So the point of the book is that, things are not always going to be there. So you have to live in the present, right? Carpe diem. And enjoy things and have experiences with things that you want to do in your life, accomplish your dreams. Unfortunately, he passed away. He did not get a chance to get a lot of those things done. And I wrote this book and I dedicated it to him. And I put in it not just ideas about travel, but I put in tips on how to be a savvy traveler to help you travel easier. Traveling can be really scary for people. And I shared some stories about people that I met traveling different parts of the world and the inspiration I got from them. So I hope this is an inspiration for you, and I hope it helps you make some new changes in your life. So from Mammoth, California, this is Dr. Ernesto Martinez. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.